Hi guys, my name is Victoria and now I'm in Syracuse University and in the industrial design major. Now I'm doing a kitchen hand tool project and my goal is to make a spatula like based on the original one. So this is the original product I choose. There are two problems that I want to solve. The first problem is about the flat handle. It is not comfortable for the customer to use that while they are cooking. The second problem is about the flat front. It is inefficient when people are cooking the round items, such as the meatballs or the corns or something like that. So for the innovation, I want to make the curved handle which can fit the human's hand and the curved front with a little bit edges, so it is easy for people to get the things out of the pot. So how to use that? This time we choose corn because it is round. So first I will try the original one. As you can see, you can only have a little bit corns on the spatula each time. But if you have our innovative spatula, you can have more corns each time because of the edges and the curve. Actually, there are two ways to use that. You can hold it in this way or this way. It also applies to the left-hand customers because of the curve under the handle. So compared to the original one, the innovative spatula is more efficient with those curves. So if you have any questions about this product, just ask me immediately so that I can make more improvements.